Hey guys, it's Rodusky. Going to teach you how to do the skeleton shuffle today. It's going to be a quick 4-step tutorial, and at the end you'll get to see it all pieced together with some music. Hope you enjoy. The first step of this dance is called the SpongeBob Shuffle. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your left leg, put it behind your right leg, then you're going to want to jump to the right side, kick your left leg out, and then punch out with your right arm. It's going to look like this. Meet back in the middle. And then you're going to want to do the same thing, but to the left side. So you're going to take your left leg, put it on the ground, kick your right leg out, punch out with your left arm. So like that. Then, be back in the middle, and get ready for the next step. The second step of this dance is very simple. 3 motions. What you're going to want to do is keep your feet in the middle, jump out like this, jump in, and then jump out again, and this time your feet are going to be crossed. Knees out. You're also going to want to add arm movements. So jump out, turn your arms in, out again. This step is called the Charleston Shuffle. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to keep your feet in the middle, pivot out on both toes with your knees in, and then cross them. You're going to want to do that 2 times forward, and then 2 times backward, and when you go backward, meet in the middle. So it's going to look like this. For the second to last step, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to jump out to the right side, and then kick your left leg out and put it on your toes. And while you're doing this, you're going to want to take your hands and you're going to want to point to where your leg is pointing out. And you're going to want to do this 3 times total. So it's going to be 1, meet back, 2, meet back, 3. For the final one, you're going to do a big circle with your arms, and then back out to the left, back in the middle. For this final step, what you're going to want to do is do the Charleston once again. So it's going to be 2 forward, 1 step back, and then a salute. So it's going to look like this. And while you're doing this, you're going to want to do a running motion with your arms. So it's going to look like this. So I finished explaining all the steps, so now you're going to see what it gets to look like with some music, and I will be performing the entire routine. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your thinking mind.